Welcome back to One Lesson 3 Maths. We are highly trained professionals dealing in complex mathematical procedure. However, please do try this at home because hopefully it will enhance your mathematical skills. We have an exam style question here dealing with angles in parallel lines. Chris Mastery absolutely loves angles and he challenges his friend Phil the Kettle to find the missing angle X and also the missing angle Y. Now, Phil the Kettle knows nothing about angles and he needs help. So you need to help him find X and Y. Now, if you would like to have a go at this, please pause the video now before I go through the solution. Right, so maybe you've had a go at this question now. Now you can check your answers using my solutions. So, we're going to think about angles between parallel lines. Now, there's two very important rules that we can use here. And the first one involves two angles that are Z angles. Okay, but we don't call them Z angles. You can see them there. They are purple and they are alternate angles. And usually on these questions, you need to give the rule. Okay, alternate angles are equal. And they are Z angles when you've got the Z. The other angle rule that you might need to use for angles between parallel lines is when you have an F angle, and that is that corresponding angles are equal. So these angle rules are very important, and they're going to help us answer these questions. So I'm going to start off by finding X, and I'm going to look and see if I can find a Z. Now the Z can be reversed. So I'm looking here and I'm saying, right, I've got a Z there. Now that doesn't help us immediately find X, but it helps us find the angle next to X. And because alternate angles are equal, you can identify that that angle there is 32 degrees. And you might want to write on your exam question at this point, alternate angles are equal. So we've worked out that that is 32 degrees. That enables us to find X because the 32 degrees and the X are on a straight line. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So we can do 180 minus 32, and that is 148. Be sure you're working out carefully, always on exam questions, or any questions for that matter. So we have X equals 148 degrees. So that's X solved. Now we need to find Y. Now, I'm looking here to see if I've got a corresponding angle. So I'm looking at that situation there. Can I draw the F? Yes, I can. So now I can identify straight away that Y equals 125 degrees, and I would write down because corresponding angles are equal. So I hope that solution has been helpful, and please review it if you had any issues. There'll be more questions coming on angles later on. Hasta la pizza, arrivederci, so long, goodbye. We'll see you next time.